You are welcome to the Lighthouse Creation channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all kinds of latest updates. Hello friends, today we are going to unbox a Bluetooth speaker. The brand is very unpopular. We generally do not know this name, Kisonli. I had an idea to buy a Bluetooth speaker for a period, and after ransacking some shops in our local market and listening to the sound quality, I selected this brand. Of course, parallelly I checked Philips, the range of which was 1500, and in the same range I bought this one. Okay, and I think of course I will show you the quality. Will listen. I know that the recording from my mobile will not be of actual type, but I think you can understand from the recording sound that the sound is much bigger than that of Philips, I think. However, today we are going to unbox this one, and this one is here are some specifications regarding the speaker, and here you can see number 1, MIC LED display, micro USB interface, TF card slot, the audio line input, the power switch, and USB. Here are the audio parameters: version 3 ADR, 5 watt into 2 speakers. Here the model is LED 800. So friends, we are going to see how is the look. Here are some specifications: KTV, phone, TF, MP4, USB, and lining. Okay, so let's see what is inside the box. Here is the charging cable, and you can use it for transferring some audio to TF card that you will have to put here. And inside the box there is the main sound bar. Okay, and here is nothing more, no manuals, nothing. Now I think the look is very big, very good. Look is very good. Of course, there are 4 switches. M for mode. Here the next button and sound up. Here sound down and previous button, and this one for pause, play, and call receive. Of course, I will show you one thing, that there were these colors options available: black, blue, golden, red, and silver. I got red and silver, but comparing those two colors, I selected the red one because I think this is brighter than the silver color. And here some ports for DC 5 volt. You can use the charging point, and this is the TF slot. This is USB. You can play music from your pen drive from this port. This is the AUX. Through this point you can share the music from your mobile phone to this unit. And here the on off button. Okay, so let's see how the music quality is. And now we have to switch on the speaker. Here we can
Bluetooth mode.
This is the opening sound, and by default Bluetooth mode comes first. If you want to share music with your mobile phone, then on the Bluetooth on your mobile phone, Bluetooth is on here. Go to setting, Bluetooth, and here it is seen LED 800. You can see LED 800. Now touch it. And now it is connected. Let's go to Nano की बात.
सोच के बोला होगा तुमने, ये प्यार भी तोला होगा तुमने। अब ना है तो फिर ना सही खबर, इस दिल को ये समझा लिया हमने। इसमें तेरा घाटा मेरा कुछ नहीं चाहता, ज्यादा प्यार हो जाता तो मैं सह नहीं पाता।
Okay friends, so up to here was the review of this Bluetooth speaker. Turning off. So ultimately I see that the quality of this soundbar is very good, and I told you previously that when I went to buy this speaker, I had a budget of 2000 up to, but when I saw this one, they told that the price of this soundbar was 1600, and I gave them 1500 and they accepted it. So I will suggest to all of you, if you have any thinking of buying any Bluetooth speaker, then I will suggest you to buy this product, because I compared at least 15 Bluetooth speaker, and then I selected this one. And this one is very good, very good, very good. I can blindly suggest you that if you have a budget of 1000 rupees, then I will suggest you to add 500 more, and just paying 1500 you can buy this. So up to here was the review of this product. Thank you. See you again.